Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I know that I have been talking about doing an update. I was gonna put this in the beginning of my Fenty video. I didn't. I watched it because I filmed this already in a way, but it just wasn't enough. And I felt it was so necessary to sit down and just share with you guys so much of what's going on in my life and how I'm feeling and what this new year is gonna bring. You guys have definitely noticed that I have not been uploading with my same schedule. I have been a 5-day-a-week show since 2013. And saying that sounds crazy because it's been like 1,500 videos later, we're sitting here and that's so much of my identity and it's so much a part of me. And you guys, my subscribers, you guys watching and cheerleading me and being a part of this and just wherever you entered, any stage of the game, whether it's been a month or from the beginning, I appreciate you so much for being here and choosing to make my channel a part of your daily routine. Oh my God, don't cry already. Wow, I'm emotional. So let's get that out of the way. I have been this is Tati in the new year. I'm good. I'm not. There's just so much going on. So filming 5 days a week it's been awesome. It's been a joy. It's been something I'm really proud of. And so many people, when I started that schedule, they're like, this'll last for a couple months and then she'll cave. And I remember thinking, I'm gonna prove everybody wrong and I'm gonna grow my channel and I'm gonna do this. And no one else has done this. No one else has, outside of vlogging, done 5 days a week in beauty reviewing for this stretch of time. So I'm so proud of that. I'm proud that I was able to do it. I'm grateful to you guys for watching. Early last year, I launched Halo. Some of you may or may not know I am actively the CEO of Halo. I am not someone that's passively just saying, oh yeah, slap my name on it, do that, do this. I'm very, very involved and I hold a lot of passion for growing the brand. I want to see it go in every direction possible. I want to launch really innovative products and I am currently developing skincare and makeup. So you guys, there are big things on the horizon. I love working, I love creating and seeing something go from being a sketch, which the bottle of Halo itself, I can remember clear as day sitting down and drawing it and being like, do you think we could do a mold of this? Do you think we could find this gold? Do you think that we could use this font? You know, I think I want to have a cosmetic feel with it. And I had all these ideas and there's nothing more exciting to me than seeing those ideas actually become an actual product and one that is helping people so much. So I thrive there. I love that. I also love filming so much, there are a lot of good things in my life and it's almost overload, I'm obsessed with growing my brand. I'm obsessed with product development. I'm obsessed with you guys having the best customer experience that you can with Halo. I'm also obsessed with you guys enjoying my channel and, finding my videos useful, and I'll always try to raise the bar. It's important to me. It's important to you guys. So that also makes it important to me for different reasons. Basically, I'm here to just admit and be open that I'm stretched too thin. Running this indie brand and my channel 5 days a week is not working for me anymore. A big reason for that is that James and I are trying to have a baby and we are actively pursuing fertility treatments and kind of figuring out what's going to work best for us. I do have some fertility issues. I've talked about that really briefly. I've never really gone in depth with that because, I don't know, it just sometimes feels and this blush is fantastic. Oh, and my uterus and ovaries, when does that fit in? It kind of doesn't, but it has been a deep pain in my soul that I have not been able to have children. I've always wanted to be a mom. I've talked about that for the longest time. And even when I started YouTube, I was like, great, maybe I can make a little bit of money and have this side business and then I'll be able to be, a very hands-on stay-at-home mom. And then this just grew into something else entirely. I'm not getting any younger. And I finally really just want to give it a good shot to see what I can do as far as seeking options with my doctors and planning things out and being active about trying to start a family, and I'm terrified. I think for anybody that has ever struggled with fertility issues, as a woman, you feel like your body should be able to do this on its own. And it's always frustrated me that my body betrays me a lot. And that's a huge part of why I have been so in tune with my health and wellness and why I put priority there. And I have to. I don't have a choice. I have a huge inflammatory response to a lot of different things. I have endometriosis. I deal with a lot. Now, I've been very active with my health and, training, eating the right foods, being really diligent about taking care of myself. I get blood work done 4 times a year. I monitor everything. Like I'm good. I'm healthy. I'm good. But right now, I know that I need to step back and not be as stressed and not be the woman that's trying to do it all and do it all perfectly just for the sake of saying I did that. And I need to step back and just honor myself and my body and do what I can to make the dream of becoming a mom come true. So that's the biggest reason. To be honest, if I already had kids and I was just trying to do YouTube and Halo, I think I could find a way to work it out. But I am holding a little bit of fear in the process of what could happen while trying to get pregnant, and I don't really know what everything looks like, and I don't know how much of that I'll share with you guys, but I'm definitely nervous. It's given me a lot of anxiety recently, and that's something I used to deal with in the past, and it's kind of crept its way back in, and then I'm having mini bouts of depression, and that's something that I used to deal with in a very severe way. I'm acknowledging that I'm not perfect, and we don't have to be. You can make choices of where you want to go in your life and what dreams you want to tackle. And my dream of being a mom is going to happen whether I carry a baby or adopt one. I married the love of my life and we both want this, and we're going to start that journey. So I want to share as much of it with you guys as I can. I'm going to be snapping more, Instagramming more, maybe vlogging more, because I want to share that struggle exists for a lot of women, and it's really challenging and it's really emotional. And I think being open about it could be helpful to me and to others out there. So, so that's the big one, you guys. And beyond the emotional stuff, how exciting. I want to have a child with James. I'm excited to be a mom. I think that'll be the biggest accomplishment ever. And I feel like I'm just built to be a mom. I want that so badly. I get big surges of emotion when I'm talking about things that matter to me, and you guys matter to me, and this channel matters to me. And it has been the best. I hit my knees and thank God every day. Thank God every day, because this is the most wonderful job. Filming videos 5 days a week has been something that I felt made me special to you guys. And I'm scared. I don't want my channel to fall apart. It's weird because I don't want to lose you guys. This is why I needed to do a full video, because I wanted to be able to tap into how I was really feeling and just be super open with you guys and just lay it all out. And I'm not, nothing crazy bad happened. It's all good stuff. I'm just having a hard time with it because I hate letting things go that I love, but I know that I have to let more love in. So make sure now more than ever that you ring that bell, because you're gonna need to, because it's not 5 days a week Tati time. It's gonna be 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm gonna be more selective with the videos that I film. I'm gonna make them more interesting. I'm gonna do more looks with, one palette. I'm gonna do more days in a row of wear test. I'm gonna put more thought into things. I've got a new camera too, so that I can do better close-ups for you guys. It's like a 4K camera, and if I'm not uploading 5 days a week, I can play around with upping the quality. So there are good things that'll happen for my content here, good things that'll happen within Halo and growing that, and thank you guys so much for your support there. And then a bonus will be I'm gonna be very, very active on Twitter, on my other socials. I wanna post more to Instagram. I was talking about that recently, that I'm I need to get over this idea of being super perfect all the time and not scrutinize myself so much that I don't post, because honestly, that's why I don't post on Instagram that much. It's because I judge myself, and I don't want to do that anymore. I want to challenge myself to step up, be more powerful as myself as Tati, and encourage other people to do the same. It's gonna be a big year, and I'm happy, even though I'm crying. I promise you guys, I'm really happy, I'm really excited, and I just wish more than anything that you guys are supportive of this new transition, and just know that you mean the world to me. Thank you so, so much for everything, for every comment, every like, every share, every time you watch. You have changed my whole world. Like, every step of the way, things have opened up and changed in ways that I can't even believe are happening sometimes. And I can't believe that I get to live this life. And I think I'll be making videos until I'm like 95, and I'll still be wearing high heels and glitter. So I'm never leaving YouTube. So let's like not go to crazy town. I'm just opening myself up to new adventures. If there's something super awesome special and I want to review it and I want to add a video in, I'm going to give myself the freedom to do that. So ring that bell so you don't miss any of the uploads. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram and Snap and Twitter. So thank you guys so much for your love. I love you so much, and go have a good one. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.